The rain was tapping a gentle rhythm against the glass of the small, cozy coffee shop. Inside, the air smelled of roasted coffee beans, cinnamon, and old books. Ethan sat by the window, his fingers tracing the edge of his notebook. He was a writer, but lately, the words had left him. The world felt a little too quiet, a little too grey. Then, the door chimed. In walked Maya. She was shaking out her wet umbrella, laughing at her own clumsiness as a few stray raindrops splattered across her face. When she looked up and caught Ethan watching her, time didn't just slow down, it completely stopped. She had eyes that held the warmth of a summer sunset, and a smile that instantly chased away the chill of the rainy afternoon. As fate would have it, the coffee shop was packed, except for the empty chair across from Ethan. Is anyone sitting here? Maya asked, her voice like a soft melody. Only you, if you'd like, Ethan replied, a nervous but genuine smile breaking across his face. What started as a polite conversation over hot chocolate quickly turned into a deep connection. They talked about everything and nothing, their favorite childhood memories, their fears, and their wildest dreams. It felt as if they had known each other for lifetimes. Ethan realized he hadn't looked at his notebook once. Maya was the only story he wanted to read. By midnight, the coffee shop was closing, but neither of them was ready to say goodbye. They stepped out onto the empty, lamplit street. The rain had slowed to a magical drizzle, reflecting the city lights like a pavement made of stars. Ethan turned to Maya, his heart pounding in his chest. I know this might sound crazy. He extended his hand, tilting his head with a playful grin. But will you dance with me? Maya chuckled, her cheeks turning a beautiful shade of pink. There's no music, Ethan. We don't need music, he whispered, stepping closer. Your heartbeat is enough. She placed her hand in his. He pulled her close, his hand resting gently on her waist, while her hand found its perfect home on his shoulder. They swayed slowly on the wet pavement, completely lost in each other's eyes. The rest of the world faded into the background. There was no city, no rain, no tomorrow, there was only them. Ethan stopped moving and looked down at her. He gently tucked a stray, damp lock of hair behind her ear, his fingers lingering on her soft cheek. Maya, he breathed, his voice thick with unsaid emotions. I didn't believe in love at first sight. I thought it was just something people wrote in books to make reality look pretty. But looking at you right now, I realize reality is so much more beautiful. Maya's breath hitched. She looked up at him, her eyes shining with unshed tears of happiness. She leaned up on her tiptoes, her hands moving to cup his face. Then stop writing stories, Ethan, she whispered, her lips just inches from his. And start living one with me. When their lips finally met, it was everything a first kiss should be: soft, passionate, and filled with a promise of 1,000 tomorrows. The rain fell softly around them, sealing a love story that was just beginning.